What is biodiversity, and why it is important to ecosystems? Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth, encompassing all living organisms and the ecosystems they inhabit. It includes genetic diversity within species, the diversity of species themselves, and the diversity of ecosystems. Biodiversity is essential for maintaining the health and resilience of ecosystems, and it supports various services that humans rely on, including food, clean water, and medicine. Just like an ants, they are small, often unnoticed, but they are the unsung heroes of our ecosystem. Bees that pollinate our food, thorns that keep our soil alive, bacteria that clean our water. Without them, everything collapses. The loss of biodiversity isn't just a local issue, it's global. What happens to a forest in one country can affect the food supply in another. A destroyed reef today can mean no fish tomorrow. Today, we combine ancestral knowledge with modern technology. We use drones to monitor forests, satellites to track climate change, mobile apps to map tree planting. With the right tools, we are not helpless, we are empowered. Every living being is a link in the chain of life. Break one, and the whole chain weakens. A missing pollinator can mean no fruit. An extinct bird can lead to overgrown pests. Nature is perfectly balanced until we tip the scale. You don't have to be a scientist to make a difference. Reduce your waste. Plant native trees. Support local farmers. Teach someone about biodiversity. Change begins with one small act. The earth is forgiving. It heals when we let it. Rivers will flow again. Forests will grow again. Species will return. But only if we act now. What will the earth remember us for? Our destruction or our protection? Welcome to a journey into the heart of nature, where life thrives in countless forms, and every living thing plays a part in a delicate, interconnected web. This is biodiversity, the variety of life, from the tiniest insect to the tallest tree, that makes up the living fabric of our ecosystem. From the depths of the oceans to the peaks of the mountains, life unfolds in endless forms. Each plant, each animal, and each microorganism plays a vital role in the balance of our planet. This is biodiversity, the heartbeat of Earth. It may seem like a simple butterfly or a tiny fish, but every organism contributes to the health of the ecosystem. Together, they form the foundation of life as we know it. For us, biodiversity is more than beauty. It feeds us, heals us, and protects us. Medicinal plants, fertile soil, clean air, and fresh water, all of these depend on thriving ecosystems. For generations, our ancestors lived in harmony with nature. As we face new challenges, our community is taking action. The time is running out. Our biodiversity is in danger. Forests are being cleared. Waters are being polluted. Species are vanishing, silently, but hope is not lost. In every corner of our community, people are rising to protect what remains. Young leaders are organizing cleanups. Volunteers are restoring habitats. Educators are spreading awareness. And together they are making a difference. Even in our everyday lives, we can be guardians of biodiversity. Sustainable farming, responsible fishing, waste reduction, every small act matters. Our culture too reflects our bond with the earth. Songs, dances, and festivals, all celebrating nature's bounty. Biodiversity is not just a science. It's a story, a legacy, a way of life. When we work together, students, elders, leaders, and citizens, we create change. We restore, we protect. Let this be our legacy, to be the generation that cared, that acted, that loved the earth enough. Biodiversity is life. Biodiversity is our life. Today, we are the stewards of this wisdom. Education is one of our greatest tools. By teaching young minds to understand and appreciate biodiversity, we sow the seeds of change, not just for today, but for tomorrow. Curiosity leads to awareness. Awareness leads to action. And action leads to transformation. Just look at what we can achieve when we come together. From neglected spaces to vibrant ecosystems, our collective effort breathes life back into the land. Sustainability begins at home. Choosing local produce, avoiding plastic, supporting eco-friendly businesses. These everyday choices shape the future of our planet. But we cannot ignore the bigger picture. Climate change is accelerating biodiversity loss. As temperatures rise, habitats disappear. As oceans warm, coral reefs die. The good news? Nature is resilient if we give it a chance. Planting mangroves shields us from storm surges. Restoring wetlands prevents floods. Protecting forests traps carbon from the air. Listen to their stories. To the fisherwoman whose catch returned after the ban on illegal fishing.
Business is the only business that these communities have, and it is seriously under threat. All countries have an exclusive maritime zone, but throughout Africa, these waters are not being respected. In particular, many countries have specific zones reserved for local fishermen and fish breeding areas. Yet these are frequently invaded by pirate fishing vessels.
Une fois la nuit tombée, il avance vers les côtes pour draguer là-bas. Après le bon matin, vers les 4h, 5h, 6h du matin, ils sont en train de ressortir. Voilà que c'est comme la fille. Parce que ma yère, c'est moi qui ai un aïe. Aïe, maman aussi,
As well as stealing fish, the illegal vessels frequently destroy valuable nets and often threaten the lives of local fishermen. This boat has been caught illegally fishing off the coast of Seal Navy and is a result of a close collaboration between the Sierra Leone government, the Environmental Justice Foundation and local fishing communities. Like many illegal vessels, it has bought a license to fish to give itself the appearance of legality. In this case, the license was received only the day before, yet immediately it began illegally fishing far inside the inshore zone reserved for local fishermen, and to hide its identity, all names and markings are deleted.
To the farmer whose soil grew fertile again after switching to organic practices. This is real. This is happening. Innovation is all around us. In the hands of the youth, waste becomes art. Trash becomes tools. Problems become solutions. What kind of world do we want to leave behind? One of loss and extinction, or one of color, of life, of harmony? This is more than a project. It's a promise to cherish every life form, to stand for every tree, every river, every living being. Because when we protect biodiversity, we protect our future. Biodiversity isn't just about saving animals. It's about saving ourselves. The cleaner the air, the healthier we are. The more trees we plant, the stronger our food systems. When nature thrives, we thrive too. In many cultures, nature is not just respected, it is sacred. The mountain is a guardian, the river a lifeline, the tree a teacher. These beliefs remind us that protecting nature is not just science. It's spiritual, it's personal. Imagine waking up and the birds are gone. The rivers are dry. The air is thick. There is no shade, no fruit, no song. That's not a scene from a movie. It's a glimpse of the future. If we do nothing, never think you're too small to make a difference. One voice can start a movement. One act can inspire many. One seed can grow a forest. In times of disaster, nature protects us, but only if we've protected it. Mangroves soften storm surges. Diverse ecosystems bounce back faster. This is resilience. This is biodiversity's hidden power. We are not separate from nature. We are part of it. It gives to us, and we must give back. This is not just a fight to save trees or animals. It's a fight to save ourselves, our health, our future, our home. So let this documentary not just inform you, let it move you. Let it ignite something in you, because the planet does not need saving. We do.